Okay, y'all, hi, I'm back again with another video. Today we finna do some yard work. I bought these flowers, these two. Oh, I'm tired. Don't! Probably months ago, and I'm just now planting them. We had a storm a couple of days ago, so we out here cleaning up some of the stuff. So let me water these plants because I just planted them, and so now I'm just gonna get them where they packed into the ground. All right, let's get it going. Step on it. I'm trying to get those plants out of that plant bed. As you see, the flowers has overgrown, so those ivy leaves, or what do they call them? Ivy leaves? The ivy leaves is taking over that plant bed, plus the rocks is falling, the bricks is falling. So I'm gonna clean that out so we can replant, put some more dirt in it, restack the bricks. We're gonna do all that today because that's too much work. But first, I have to pull all these plants out. And it's crazy because the vines is all tangled and jeez. All right, here we go. I gotta get some water first. I'm done. I did the best I could do. If y'all was wondering, this is just mosquito things, wipes around my neck, because the mosquitoes is so bad because they cut the common ground trees, so we got so many mosquitoes. It's just horrible. We can't even really sit back here because there's so many mosquitoes. I did this about a month ago, cleaned up all of that, and it actually looks really good. Actually did a really good job at that one. Look, these.
The bugs are still bugging me.
The hopsis is growing really good, nice and big and full. So much work, but I'm done. Boss, I quit. Okay, y'all, good morning. After all that yard work, we didn't do nothing. We ain't even finished with the yard work yet. But this morning, I'm on my way to Concentra, which is where we do our physical, our DOT physicals. That's what I have to do this morning for my job. Gotta do a physical. Oh, somebody bought that house. Okay. Cutting all the bushes down. Yeah, I gotta do my DOT physical. So that's where I'm on my way. Hopefully everything go well. Hopefully it's not a long wait, because these people are hecka slow. But it's like my appointment is these daggone squirrels. My appointment is at 8:30 and it is 8:18. The place isn't that far from me. So yeah, I'm just on my way over there. We're gonna see how this physical go. Hopefully everything goes well. I don't really have any plans. Nothing else to do. Then I was eating some grapes. They in a napkin because I just washed them off and threw them inside the plastic bag. Because I didn't have time to eat any breakfast. I haven't drunk any coffee. Y'all know I normally be on my coffee. But yeah. That's the rundown for today. No plans. I seen a deal at Walmart that I thought about doing, but I think I'm gonna pass, because the Walmart I seen a deal on a camera, a Sony W830, I think that's what it was, a digital camera for like $30. I thought it would be a good camera for Damon, because he wants to do YouTube. I'm talking about my son Damon, little Damon. He is so eager to do, or anxious to do, YouTube. So I thought about going over there and buy that camera for him, but the downside of it is they only have a limited supply. So most of the time when it says limited supply, that might be the display, and I would hate to go clear across town and they only have a display camera. So I kind of decided against that deal. I wish I could mount this camera. I really do, instead of holding it. I prefer my camera to be mounted, but like I told y'all once before in another vlog, I have to actually take it off of this this little hand tripod thing. So that's the reason why I'm holding the camera. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm getting ready to eat this this stuff real quick, and then I'll come back in a little bit. Yeah, I'm finally out of Concentra. Oh my God. 2.5 hour wait for my DOT physical, but I finally got it now. I'm at Chick-fil-A. I was looking at somebody's video, and they had the frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A, and they mixed some fruit in with it. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. He was just so stuck on it. It was just so amazing. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if it's as amazing if it's as amazing as he said. That's a tongue twister. I got the lemon frosted lemonade, and then here's the fruit. So what he did was he just put the fruit inside of the frosted lemonade, and he just ate it like that. But I'm finna eat my fries and stuff first. I'll eat that last, because y'all know I love Chick-fil-A fries. Love them. And then I just got a sandwich. And that's it. So I'm gonna eat this stuff, and when I get to the frosted lemonade, I'll just come back. These fries are so damn hot, I can tell you that much. Super hot, but I love them. I see I took my hat off because I'm finna dig in. But I bought this little tray right here from Amazon. I seen somebody else on another video had like a little food tray, because they do mukbangs. So I think that was one of B-Love videos. So I decided to order one, because y'all know I was trying to do the mukbangs. I don't even know if I'm in the frame or not, but so I bought this tray. This is what it looks like. I think it was like $10 maybe. And it could hold a drink, but I'm not gonna put the drink on it, because I don't need no accidents at all. So yeah, here's my meal. Just a regular Chick-fil-A sandwich with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Like I already showed y'all, the fruit and a drink. And of course I have water. So I'm finna get in this, and I'll be back. Okay, now here we go. Now I'm gonna add the fruit. I don't even think y'all can see me, but I'm gonna add the fruit in here. We gonna see what this tastes like. Damn, if I could even get it open without messing up. Okay. Put that on up in there. I don't even know how much this fruit costs. Oh damn, it's apples too? I don't know if I'm gonna put the apples in here. I'm just gonna put everything in. Just putting everything in there. Let's taste these green apples first. A lot of fruit. I don't even know how much this fruit costs. I don't want all these apples in it, so I'm not gonna put all the apples in. I'm leaving like 3. Okay, let's see. Let's see, Dame, what is his name? Dame Drops. We're gonna see if you know what you're talking about, Dame Drops. You claim that this is so good. When I watched that video, I was laughing so damn hard. I need to stop cussing before. Well, I'm not monetized no way, so it don't even matter. But I don't want them to put anything on my video, so I need to stop cursing. I'm a cursor, y'all. I'm a cursor. I love to curse. I'm just joking. Okay, here we go. Damn, I can't even get the fruit out the doggone thing. Is it good? It's okay. It ain't all like Dame was talking about. It's just okay. But this lemonade frosting is good. Okay, here we go. We got a blueberry. It's pretty good. It's okay. It ain't all like Dame was saying. I could have probably did without this. Yeah, it's just okay. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.